Oh, there we go. I just finished Studio Vlog 20. I just signed it off. I went on, I did a little bit of an intro, did a little bit of an outro, and here I am starting another one in the exact same position. It's been like 30 seconds. So yeah, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be starting a studio vlog on kind of the whole weekend going forward. I'm going to be having a shop update on Sunday. Today is Friday, so I'm going to be filming the Friday, the Saturday and Sunday and just showing you how kind of like a typical shop update kind of weekend goes, at least for me. Obviously I hand make all of my stuff pretty much, and yeah, I've got to take photos of all of that now. Loads of them are one of a kind this time, so it means a lot of photos, a lot of editing, so I'm going to get on that. I've already started a little bit this morning, like doing rough cuts of like the Etsy listings and everything, so I need to get things listed. I do have a list here of things that I need to do for this weekend, and that is finish the studio vlog, just sign the other one off, just did that. Then I need to start this one. I need to take all the photos, edit all the photos. I then need to film the shop update video, edit that one, upload that one, and then I obviously need to get all the listings done and just get ready by my computer all by Sunday. So we have 2 days and yeah, my focus this year just isn't that great. So just gonna get stuck straight on into it. So I've just kind of assembled the two boxes now. This one here is going to be the big tiger one. So this one here is going to be the one with the pin, the charm, the keychain, obviously the 2 stickers, and then the glossy print. This one here is going to be the big sale one. I'm also doing a smaller one as well, so like a January sale one. But this one here kind of gives the most kind of value. So I've got 2 washi tapes, 2 pins. I've got 7 stickers and 6 prints in that one. And it's going to be kind of like a mystery box kind of situation, but I've just kind of like done this one up just as an example. The prints and the stickers are in this little cute bag, and I think I'm going to add some pink shredded tissue paper in that as well, especially for the photos. But I need to be taking the photos now, and I thought I would start with the boxes first, then go to like the individual pieces after. So yeah, I've just got to figure out where I'm going to take these pictures to. I think probably on my desk. I think so. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to keep the photos really simple for the shop update. I think I'm just going to use the marble tile that I used in the past, and then just the white of the kind of desk as the background, just laying out little pieces like so, like holding pieces up, and hopefully we'll get kind of a good shot. I also like to use this as the kind of like guide for how big things are. So I like to kind of show a shot with a little bit of like the ruler markings in there, so that the centimeter ones, it just kind of gives like a better idea of the size of the piece. I obviously always put the dimensions and everything of every piece in the description anyway, but yeah, this comes in handy. This is also like a large letter guide for the, you know, different size things when I post them. So if I have flat mail, it just needs to go through this one, definitely to be charged for that, and then the large one needs to fit through there. So it's like a multi-use tool, but I'm just going to probably use that and get these pictures going. I've swapped you over to my phone just to kind of give a time lapse of me taking photos, but I basically just changed all the lens and stuff on my camera, and I just take the pictures mainly in manual mode. Just swapped out for another battery as well, because it's going to take me a while. The lens that I'm using is a 50mm 1.8. My other lens is like a 1.4, and I think that's 35, but I just like the kind of effect of the 50mm for my Etsy photos. So let's go. Hello everyone, so it's now a shop update day. It is currently 11:20. I've already been working in here for a couple of hours now, and I'm just doing the last kind of ditch effort to get everything ready. I have had to do this long, so I need to finish off a few listings. It's the January sale ones that I need to do, and then the pin ones, because I completely forgot to do the pins. So I just have 6 really random pins. 3 of them are brains. I've got a banana, a star, and a blueberry. I just made those really randomly at the start of the year, so I thought I'd put them on the shop update. But I need to obviously edit all the pictures down. I've pretty much done it, but I'm not happy with like the main photo on there, so I'm gonna be editing that up and just doing the listings and stuff, getting those up. That's my step 1. I've broken it down into like 3 steps so it can keep me kind of fully on the ball. I then need to film the shop update video. I'm just going to film it looking like this. Like, not my best, but it will do. Nobody really cares. And mainly you're just looking at the product anyway. So yeah, I've got to film that video, edit that video, upload that video, do the thumbnail to that video. Then I need to come back here and carry on just getting all the shop like listings and everything like that completely done. So yeah, like I said, I've broken it down just into this to-do list so I can take it off as I kind of do them, just to keep me on it, because my focus just hasn't been there recently. So yeah, hopefully the to-do list will keep me going. I've got the majority of things done, like listings wise. I will just show you here. Like, I have been doing stuff. The bundle ones, happy with the pictures of those. I did like a little bit of editing on that on my iPad. These ones here with just like the back of the pins, those are the January sale ones, which I need to edit up those photos. And these ones here, I might, redo these kind of pictures just on the star, the banana, and the blueberry. It doesn't matter that much because I've literally only got 1 of each. So that's going to be right at the bottom of my to-do list if I finish everything else. But yeah, a mad rush as always. Oh, I don't know why I do this to myself. If I just prepared a little bit more in advance, that would be great. Next shop update, I'm definitely going to be prepared by the time the shop update day comes around. I say that, I probably won't, but yeah, let's get back to it. It's now 2:41 and the to-do list, there's still things on it. So January sale box listings done, random pin listings done, sort the sections out done, promotion, get a promotion running, that's done. Film the shop update intro and outro, done that. I've done the overshot of the boxes, so I've shown them kind of in a studio not studio vlog, a shop update video, and now I'm going to be doing like the filming of the close-up. So I am also editing as I go. So yeah, all systems are go. Just over an hour left to kind of get this edited, uploaded, thumbnail done. This is why I always run out of time, because I did go out to lunch and that is my fault. But yeah, I need to film really quickly. Hopefully I can get that done within 10 minutes. Just an overview through this little box here full of the keychains and charms. They're all ready to kind of rumble, and then just showing the pins up close as well. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I can do this. So I need to stop talking here and actually get on and film that with this camera. I'm literally uploading the video now. It is 4:05. I wanted the shop live to go live at 4, but my internet is just being so slow. I just can't do anything about it. And because I put the coupon code in the video, I don't want to post the shop update live without the video being live because the coupon code. So yeah, just fingers crossed this goes to plan. On the shop, I put on that it's going to go live at 1:15. I've changed it. Hopefully people have seen that. I feel a bit guilty if anyone's waiting, but I'd rather get this up with the coupon code in it so that people can use the coupon code, if that makes sense. So yeah, come on. Oh, I'm trying not to do anything else on my laptop as well. Okay, it's gone down to 4 minutes now. Come on, upload. I'm like 49% done. This always happens. I shouldn't have gone out to lunch, but I was really hungry. Oh no, I'm so nervous. I'm actually anxious, like my hands are shaking. I get so nervous with shop updates. So much so that when I post them, like literally I put it live and then I go and do nothing for the rest of the evening. So you will see me do nothing. After I post this live, I will not be here on the computer. I will not be here on the internet. I'm literally going to go and paint a wall to keep me just focused on something else. Okay, 3 minutes now. Come on, shop update. Let's do this. We can do this. Am I going to get any orders? I do not know. I will meet you back here tomorrow once I put this live, and yeah, I'll do a little bit of a thing go along with that. And then if we do get some orders, I might do a packing video separate. That's if we get any. I don't know. Oh, so anxious. Come on, 60% now. Oh, this is so slow. I have like the we're live, watch the YouTube video here. It's just stuck at 93%. This is infuriating. If anyone's waiting on the other end, I really, really do apologise. Yes, come on. Publish. Will it go, 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 go? Come on, baby, come on, baby. Right. We have trouble saving your video. Video published, awesome. Holiday off. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Why is my Wi-Fi being so bad today? Come on. Right, story, come on. Okay, the video is live, awesome. That's one thing down. All the things off my list. Why isn't my Wi-Fi loading? I don't actually know what's happening. Like, look. Nothing's loading. Oh, I tried to put it live, it just says everything's waiting. No. I know. This is gonna work, isn't it? Airplane mode. Now let's turn that off. Come on. No internet. Are you joking? Oh my goodness, this is like the worst timing ever. Come on. Your shop is active. Okay, it's on. Oh my goodness, yes, shop's live. Right, video is definitely live. We have comments. Post this. Where did it go to stories? Uploading. Oh my goodness, why is this so slow? Okay, yes, it's live. Okay, have DMs. All done. First shop update of 2022. New in items. Yeah, that's a cute little name. Oh, golly. Right, this is the bit where I poop myself now because like I get so scared that no orders are going to come through. Obviously I was a bit late there, so I feel so guilty. Oh my goodness. I think we've had some orders. I think we've had some already. Oh, shut up. Have we actually? 3 orders! Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Who have we got? Samantha, Esme, Serene. I definitely recognise all of these names from before, for sure. Oh my goodness. That was a lot. Like, a lot. Why do I feel so scared, so rushed? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much to you guys who've just ordered so fast as well. I don't know what to do about myself now. I feel kind of sick. So, like I said, this is the point. Everything's going through. All of the coupon codes, they're working okay. People have started using them. Studio Vlog one's working. Free shipping over 15. That one's working. Amazing. Awesome. Thank you so much for another order. This is one from Rebecca. Thank you so much for ordering. Oh my goodness. So happy. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm going to leave this room here for a second just because yeah, I get a mess. And I don't know what I'm talking about now. Oh yes. Oh, we did it. Look, we did it. Some orders are coming through already. Always so grateful. I never ever expect it. But we're gonna have some orders to pack. I might pack like the first 5 on the studio vlog tomorrow. I have got a hospital appointment in the morning. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna keep myself busy and go and paint the wall. So X all that off. See you later. Shut the laptop. Goodbye.